Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with Glitter Easy method. Prepare strawberries by washing and thoroughly drying each berry, leaving stems intact for handling. Melt chocolate gently in short bursts and stir until smooth, then dip berries and let excess drip off. Sprinkle edible glitter while chocolate is tacky, then chill on parchment until set. Handle carefully and serve chilled for best shine and flavor. Start by chopping chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly and quickly in the microwave. Heat in 15 to 20-second bursts, stirring thoroughly each time to prevent scorching and maintain a glossy finish. If using the stove, use a double boiler and avoid steam contact with the chocolate. Keep the melted chocolate warm and smooth, then proceed to dipping for neat coverage and professional-looking results that hold the glitter better. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless while you bake or craft glittery treats. It handles crumbs and cocoa with minimal fuss, so you spend more time creating. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Hold each strawberry by the stem and dip about 2/3 into the melted chocolate, twisting slightly for even coating and to prevent pooling. Let the extra chocolate drip back into the bowl, then set berries on parchment and sprinkle edible glitter while the surface is still tacky. Use small brushes for precise sparkle if needed. Chill the tray for 10 to 20 minutes to solidify the chocolate and lock in that shimmering finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.